Hello everyone, as you can probably tell, I'm very unwell at the moment. My doctors have told me to try and distract my brain, so I had some videos planned and I thought I'd film them while I'm very poorly. I'm so poorly, I have a sick bag next to me. So if there's a sudden jump cut where I'm suddenly talking and then for some reason the subject suddenly changes, it's because I've just gone off to vomit. What a nice thought. If you're having your dinner now, I apologise. So, many years ago, I did two makeup videos. Yes, I had a makeover. They're called do you know what? Just give me a minute, will you? Many years ago, I did two videos called I Have a Makeover. So my friends put makeup on me. And, as you may also know, afterwards it caused me to have an identity crisis. I'm going to go again. And with this identity crisis came, I said I'd never make a makeup video ever again. So here we are, making another makeup. And I've never been a fan of makeup videos, men put makeup videos. I think there's I have a love-hate relationship with them. It seems like you could be mocking men wearing makeup, but at the same time, I think it removes the stigma of men wearing makeup. As some of you will also be aware, about a few years ago, I was in hospital because of my mental health. I'll let you figure it out. I'm not going to say what, I'll let you figure that out. And what I decided to do, while I was there, I looked in the mirror and my face was not in a good state. It looked like sandpaper, it was really acne scarred, it looked awful. I wasn't happy with the state of my face. State of face was not good. And unfortunately, nothing's got better than that, and lately it's been getting worse again, especially with me being ill all the time. So I decided I was going to do something about that. I was going to paint over it. When I say paint over it, I don't mean wearing face paint or anything like that. I mean, I picked foundation. So the other day, I went on to Rimmel London's. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. They do a face detection thingy online, and I have some footage of this, which you're seeing right now.
There's nothing I can do.
A foundation brush. I don't know anything about it. I have no idea how to apply foundation. I know nothing. I'm also having to use the viewfinder as a mirror. So I'm going to take my glasses off, which is great because my eyesight is really bad at the moment. Makes me really dizzy when I take my glasses off. So that's great when you're ill. It's great. So I don't know how you apply it. Admittedly, I didn't get foundation at first because I saw people paint it on and they looked exactly the same, which I found that's actually quite the point. It just improves your body confidence. Here we go. So yes, I do intend on this being a normal thing. That's why I think it was justified making this video. I don't know how to do it. Alright, I'm gonna have to do the teenage thing and Google it. Hang on, bear with. How to apply foundation with a brush. Right. Step 1, buy some foundation. I think that's gonna be right. There we go. Step 1, put some foundation on the back of your hand. Oh, so there is a reason people do this. I see people do this, and I absolutely wonder why on earth people do. Oh my, what? Apply the liquid foundation on the cream foundation to your face. Pump a small amount on the back of your hand. Oh, hello. So that's the colour I went for. That looks way too dark than I was expecting. Do you know what I'm going to do? I have a better idea. This is going to be fun with this. I'm going to go into the bathroom and do this. Because we've got lots of mirrors and lots of lights in there. So, jump cut. I've left the bleeding instructions in there. Put the light on. All over your T-zone, your forehead, nose and chin. Look at that, it's the new brush. Here we go. So, dip it on there. And then I see what people mean when they say it kind of... It does. Matches my own skin. I thought it would be much more paler. I should have really shaved before this, shouldn't I? But it's got to come off again anyway because I'm obviously ill and in bed. I genuinely thought this was going to be a complete disaster. I've just realised I'm not doing what they said. I meant to do T-zone. Excuse the hair, I am getting a haircut soon. I'm dyeing it as well. Right, let's put some more on. I feel like this has not gone to plan. I do have a feeling it hasn't gone to plan. But because it matches my skin so perfectly, I can't tell if I've missed anywhere. Weirdly, on camera it looked fine, I say. Put that light on. But in the mirror it looked awful. Mainly because I'm not used to it. That's probably it, because I look like a ghost. Admittedly, it has made my lips look dead. I now understand why people wear lipstick. I'm not going to be wearing lipstick, by the way. I think that looks alright, don't you? What do you think? Yeah, on camera it looks alright. He says when I get into editing it's going to look awful. I do look shiny though. I think I went a little bit overboard on the amount of makeup. But I've learned, that's the whole point of this. I thought it was going to be an absolute disaster personally. Why am I painting? I'm actually painting it here because this is... And then there's a mirror, massive mirror with lighting behind me before anyone complains. What are we thinking? Does it make me look dead? Mirror? Yes. Right, I'm gonna go show my mother and then I'm gonna tell you her feedback. So we went outside. Okay, I'm gonna put my glasses on battery. I've got to be quick, the battery's dying. So we went outside to test what it looked like. Mother said you can tell, but it doesn't look awful. I should have shaved, but this is coming straight off, like I said. And yeah, Mum wanted to do the rest of my makeup, which isn't happening. So I'm gonna go because I'm about to lose battery life. And battery life on the camera. Whatever. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna go vomit. Goodbye.